Hey folks, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, on location in the Big Apple, New York City.
New York City.
For the launch of Alexa Plus.
Just say, Alexa, let's get started.
This is basically Gen AI meets Alexa.
I mean, what's next, Alexa?
Let's go with some of the biggest highlights from this event. The event started off with an introduction by Andy Jassy, the president and CEO of Amazon. And he started off by discussing how Amazon has been using AI for the past 25 years.
Think about AI and technology in general at Amazon is that we don't use the technology because we think it's cool or interesting. It is, but we use it to solve real customer problems. Up until a couple of years ago, it was pretty difficult to invent with AI. And that changed with the arrival of foundational models and generative AI.
So who's responsible for bringing Gen AI to Alexa Plus? Well, that job goes to this man, Panos Panay, the Senior Vice President for Devices and Services at Amazon. And he comes there after a long career over at Microsoft. Let's hear what he has to say about Alexa.
Generation of Alexa. She's powered by Gen AI, smarter, conversational, personal, just get stuff done. She's easy to talk to. You can have almost any conversation. She's smarter than she's ever been before, but she's also approachable, which I think is so critical. That intimidation factor of AI is gone. She's useful. She's there to help you complete tasks. She can plan a date, but she can also book the restaurant and text the babysitter. Alexa, do you want to take a look at these 250 people and tell me if you think they're pumped?
Okay, taking a look. From what I can see, those 250 folks look pretty fired up. They're all eyes on you, laptops at the ready, soaking in every word. Looks like you've got a room full of eager tech enthusiasts ready to be wowed.
Yeah, I think we do. They look pretty pumped to me too. Thanks for recognizing it. If you were to share one thing about yourself to this crowd, what would it be?
If I had to share one thing with that pumped up crowd, I'd say this. I'm not just an assistant. I'm your new best friend in the digital world. I've got jokes, smarts, and a genuine desire to make your life easier and more fun. Let's create some tech magic together.
Speaking of tech magic, let's look at this new feature that was presented by Mara Siegel, the director at Alexa.
So first, what you need to know is that you can now share just about anything with Alexa. Whether a handwritten recipe, a dense PDF doc with legalese, emails, school schedules, instruction manuals. Take a shot, upload it, share it with Alexa. She remembers it, she summarizes it, she analyzes it, and allows you to take quick action. So for this demo, what you need to know is I have shoveled over a lot of that daily influx of information to my Alexa Plus, and she's going to show us just how easy it is to get guidance. Alexa, for Olivia's spring soccer schedule that I shared, when is her first practice?
Olivia's first soccer practice is this Friday, February 28th, from 4 to 5 p.m. at Menlo Atherton High School. It's the start of weekly practices every Friday until May 2nd.
Can you add the rest of the practices and games to my calendar?
Sure, I'll do that.
Another thing you can do with Alexa Plus is keep up to date with your favorite sports teams and even buy tickets. Check out this demo.
The Red Sox and Yankees will first face off on June 6, 2025 at Yankee Stadium. It's going to be a highly anticipated matchup to kick off their season series.
Very cool. Can you get me 2 great seats to that game?
Sure, let me look into those tickets. Great news! I found some excellent seats for the Red Sox versus Yankees game on June 6th. The best available are in section 221A, row 11.
Need a technician to come fix an appliance? Alexa Plus can do that too. Check this out.
Alexa, my Miele oven isn't working. Can you get someone out to the house who fixes Miele's ASAP?
Certainly, I can help you find a professional to repair your Miele oven. Let me search for appliance repair services in your area. I found several highly rated appliance repair professionals in your area. Would you like me to contact Bold and Short Repair? They have a 5-star rating and respond to messages within an hour.
Alexa, actually, I've used the second one. Can we contact that one and get them out to the house ASAP?
Certainly. I'll contact Fuse HVAC and Appliance Repair Seattle right away to schedule an urgent appointment for your Miele oven repair.
Panos has really high hopes for Alexa, but the big question is, how much is it going to cost?
Alexa Plus is $19.99 a month, but it's free if you're a Prime member. Very good.
The reason why you saw everybody clapping there is that we didn't know if Alexa Plus was going to be an additional subscription on top of Prime. But if you're a Prime member, you get Alexa for free. The last question is, when is it going to be released?
Early access to Alexa Plus will start to roll out next month, and in waves over the subsequent months. When you have Alexa Plus, it will light up every single device in your home and overwhelmingly almost every one that we've shipped. Now, as we look to the future, AI and Alexa will continue to be that red thread, one that weaves across our devices, creating new connected experiences, bringing a little bit of that symphony together, and maybe a touch more harmony in our lives. I'm so excited for you to be on this journey with us. Can't wait for you to get downstairs and check out the product. Let's watch one more video and then Stuart will lead us the rest of the way. Thank you for having us today.
After the presentation, I had a chance to go into their demo rooms and try out Alexa Plus for myself. And after having some first-hand experience, I can say that this is an absolute game changer for tech, for the smart home, and finally, we might have a virtual assistant that is comparable to the computer on Star Trek. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from Handy Andy Media. Be sure to follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and hit that bell notification for all future videos on Alexa Plus as it rolls out in US, Canada, and the world.